So now, having read about all these things, now we'll go about costing. So costing is a very, very important term in finance. So during purchasing, how much does it cost? So you any gadget you purchase, you just put a question, how much does it cost? So cost and price, what is the difference? So costing means it is the process of determining how much it costs to produce and sell a given product. Just cost is the basic manufacturing cost. How much it costs to produce and sell a product or service. That is going to be cost. Price means it is the final price which you pay, which will be covering the manufacturing cost plus transporting cost plus marketing cost, everything. Okay, so price is going to be final addition of all the cost, but cost will determine. Cost means it is the basic manufacturing cost incurred in producing a product, or it is selling a product or a service. So the cost of producing, the cost of distributing or selling, and the cost of after sales service, all these are the three independent costs you have. When you add everything, it becomes price. Okay, so costing and pricing are not same. Costing is different from pricing. Components of cost, you have direct cost and indirect cost. In direct cost, you have the material cost and labor cost. So how much raw materials they are going to purchase, and what is the labor requirement involved in the cost, how much manpower you are going to utilize for that particular producing that particular product. An indirect cost is incurred in running a business. It cannot be identified independently, but it will always be correlated. For example, transporting a product, unloading charges, excise duty which you pay for the government, labor welfare, after sales service, wastage, rejection. So all these are going to be coming under indirect costs, which cannot be identified independently. You cannot group them under a single term. So it is going to be the cost which is indirectly incurred when you are going to do business.